welcome back to my channel, everybody. So today I'm going to be making the Incredible Hulk, or the Hulk drink. It's originally, I think, with Hypnotic and just Hennessy, and it's supposed to be a really strong drink. But today I'm going to be putting a little twist on mine, and I'm going to be using some lemonade and Jolly Ranchers. And I'm using the blueberry and the green apple Jolly Ranchers. And you can use as many of those as you would like. I'm using about, I'd say 15 to 20, but I'm only making like one or like 2 drinks or so, 2 to 3 drinks. So I'm gonna start with my Hypnotic. Get that poured in. And you can do half and half. Make it to your liking. Then my Hennessy. This is a big one. And my lemonade. Jolly Ranchers. I think I'm gonna pour just a little bit more Hypnotic. We're gonna turn it on and hit my ice drink button. One more time. You just want to make sure everything is nice and blended up. Alright, so I'm just using plastic cups today. And this is the mix once it's all blended up. Get it poured in our cups. And then I'm just gonna drop some of these on top. I don't really have any garnishes today. Something simple. I have my straws. And there you have it. My spin on the Incredible Hulk. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys, and let me know down in the comments below if there's anything you would like to see me make. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.